One of history's most persistent economic myths is that technological progress destroys jobs. This fallacy has risen 1,000 times out of its own ashes throughout human history. The logic seems simple: new machine equals fewer workers needed. But reality tells a different story. Let's examine why. Consider early pin manufacturing. In Adam Smith's time, 1776, a worker without machines could make 20 pins daily. With machines, 4,800 pins. By this logic, machines had already caused 99.98% unemployment in pin making. During the Industrial Revolution, English stocking knitters rioted, destroying machines they believed would permanently eliminate their jobs. Yet by century's end, the industry employed 100x more workers than before these machines existed. Arkwright invented cotton spinning machinery in 1760. Workers violently opposed it. Yet 27 years later, employment in cotton textiles had exploded from 7,900 to 320,000 people, a 4,400% increase. This pattern repeats throughout history. The 1930s had technocrats. The 1960s feared automation. Today we worry about AI. Same fallacy, new packaging. If this fear were logical, we'd have to conclude that all labor-saving devices are harmful. Should we abandon forklifts and return to carrying freight on our backs to create jobs? Here's what actually happens. When a manufacturer adopts labor-saving machines, several positive effects follow that the pessimists miss. 1. The machines themselves require labor to build, creating jobs elsewhere. 2. Increased profits enable business expansion, more jobs. 3. Competition drives prices down, benefiting consumers. For lower prices increase demand for products. Look at automobiles. In 1910, the new industry employed 140,000 Americans. By 1973, 941,000. Similarly, electronics and aviation created millions of entirely new jobs that never existed before. The purpose of machines isn't to create jobs, it's to increase productivity and living standards. Ironically, the most full employment exists in most economically primitive societies, where people work long, hard hours for mere subsistence. When productivity rises, either prices fall, benefiting consumers, or wages rise, benefiting workers. Often both happen. The pie grows larger for everyone. Yes, technological change creates real hardships for displaced workers like Joe Smith, who loses his job to a machine. We shouldn't ignore these individual tragedies. But we must balance compassion for Joe with recognition of benefits to Tom, who builds the machine, Ted, who operates it, and Daisy, who buys better, cheaper products. The free market isn't perfect, but history proves overwhelmingly technological progress creates prosperity, not poverty. Our challenge isn't stopping progress, it's helping those temporarily disrupted by it.